Prepare to get energized by some thrilling Wall Street game news to start your day. We're going to discuss a subject that's been in the news recently in this video. The current surge in Tesla stock confirms what we already knew. Despite the skepticism surrounding the leading electric car manufacturers, you should never sell your Tesla stock. Just think of the unfortunate people who sold on January 3rd when shares were only worth about $108. You won't want to miss this video as Elon Musk gives investors a soothing message while the stock price rises. So have a seat, and let's explore the realm of enormous financial gain from Elon Musk's electric cars. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons before I leave. A week after Singaporean billionaire Leo Kogan said that a 100% growth in earnings or a repurchase of Tesla stock is the only thing that can pull the company out of its current slump, Elon Musk offered just one sentence to reassure Tesla investors. The current price of a single share of the stock is $173.54. Following Musk's letter in May of last year, the stock price quickly recovered as investors saw Musk's response to the largest shareholder in the third quarter as a definite sign that he may approve a stock repurchase. Billionaire Leo Kogan tweeted Tesla's head of investor relations, Martin Vita, recommending that the business announce a $15 billion stock buyback in light of the ongoing decrease in the company's share price. Although Musk gave a cryptic remark that might have made it unclear what he hopes to achieve, if anything, he still interacts with his followers on Twitter every day. In another tweet, Kogan said that Tesla's free cash flow was $2.2 billion in Q1 of this year and predicted that it would rise to $8 billion in Q2 and $10 billion in Q3. Kogan states that Tesla's current $18 billion in cash reserves should not be harmed by the repurchase, which should be funded by free cash flow. In an open letter sent halfway through February, co-founders Gary Black and David Callis of Future Fund, an investment vehicle in which Tesla owns the majority ownership, have suggested a $10 billion share repurchase to the board of directors of Tesla. We think this is a great chance for you to buy your company's stock. This is due to Tesla's present exceptional financial standing, which includes nearly zero debt, and the acquisition of $18.9 billion in cash and marketable securities. The open letter to Tesla was posted on Twitter by the act. He wrote, with Tesla selling at its lowest forward P37X on Wall Street 2023 EPS since COVID, with $18.9 billion in cash and no debt and an investment grade rating, now seems like an ideal time for Tesla's board to consider a $10 billion plus share buyback. On Wall Street, Tesla is now trading at its lowest forward P37X since COVID. Resuming his Twitter post, Black stated that the Future Fund is suggesting $10 billion in buybacks over the following 3 years. Optimus Dojo intends to invest $10 billion in buybacks over the next 3 years, considering them growth ventures. The automated taxi. Service is one instance of a growth project. Reminder 5, remember, there are only 5 places to put your extra cash paying down debts, profits from investments, dividends when short-term noise causes shares to fall, as is occurring now. Black posted this tweet after his last one. Out of the 5 choices, stock repurchases and capitalization on cash reserves are probably going to deliver the highest return on investment, the fund manager informed the board. The fund manager did, however, also note that it is doubtful that the buybacks will have any impact on Tesla's financial flexibility, meaning that management of the firm is free to continue with buybacks as long as it sees right. He pointed out that from Tesla's perspective, buybacks are preferable to dividends since they offer long-term capital gains and more benevolent tax treatment. However, once established, dividends are more difficult to modify. When a corporation decides to purchase back its shares of Tesla, an electric vehicle manufacturer, what impact does this have on the company and its shareholders? By repurchasing shares from current shareholders, a company can increase the percentage of ownership held by each investor and consequently concentrate its shareholder value. By doing this, the company's shares value is kept from declining. Repurchasing corporate stock has several benefits for businesses, including lowering the total number of outstanding shares, removing the need for dividend payments, and maintaining a stable stock price. The buyback plan has been the subject of a lengthy board discussion. Although all board members concur that a repurchase would be a good idea, Tesla's management is still keen to follow the proper procedures before making any kind of acquisition. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, stated that the company's leaders have addressed a number of issues at the third quarter of 2022 conference call. Musk informed Lane that even if 2023 might turn out to be a challenging year for the business, Tesla still has the ability to carry out a $5 to $10 billion repurchase. It should be mentioned, nevertheless, that the board of directors had to evaluate and approve this. Musk made the point that, in contrast to market teams, which prioritize the short term, it's critical to concentrate on the long term, which encompasses things like the manufacture of Tesla's much-awaited Model 3 and potential stock repurchases. Both the Cybertruck and the Tesla Semi are still expected to arrive on schedule. Because the Tesla Semi-Truck is an all-electric vehicle with advanced safety measures, it offers a glimpse into the future of transportation. We are going to start ramping up manufacturing of the Tesla Semi, a max low heavy truck that is also a Class H and Class A truck, on December 1st. With its vast range and spacious interior, designed to offer maximum protection, the Tesla Semi sports impressive features. Musk promised to personally witness the delivery of the company's first semi-commercial trucks to Pepsi. Musk has declared that he will greatly increase the production of semis starting the next year. Tesla's chief engineer, Polaris Moravi, who earlier predicted that the Cybertruck was nearing the end of its development, said the business is currently scheduled to start. Early production of the much-awaited Tesla Cybertruck is scheduled to begin in mid-2023. Musk went on to claim that experts think these two products, in addition to the publicly available Tesla models currently on the market, will help Tesla grow even more. Furthermore, Tesla has been diligently developing the Tesla Full Self-Driving, or FSD, and the Tesla Robotaxi. According to Musk, the engineering for the semis and Cybertrucks has now been finished. I think there's a chance that Tesla will surpass the combined value of Apple and Saudi Aramco. I envision a hypothetical scenario where Tesla is worth more than both of these firms, Musk added, pointing out that Saudi Aramco's market valuation is roughly $2 trillion and Apple's is roughly $2.2 trillion. Musk did not waste any time in emphasizing that this will not be an easy task. Following his original declaration, he credited luck, management, and growth for his accomplishment. To be clear, Musk did not include Optimus when he said, maybe today. I see a road and an incredibly very difficult path to reach for Tesla to have as much market share as Apple and Saudi Aramco combined. Elon Musk may anticipate Tesla's value to exceed initial estimates if the human robotic Optimus performs well. Experts advise Tesla investors to stick onto their current stakes in the company, stating that the electric vehicle manufacturer will and has recovered from its recent stock price declines. If you're curious to hear more about Tesla stock and would like to learn more about it, please subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and like buttons.